Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable the option to ask where to save each file before downloading in Opera GX. Let's get started. Next, click on the Easy Setup icon in the top right corner of the browser. Scroll down and select Go to Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and find the Downloads section. Now look for the option that says Ask where to save each file before downloading and toggle it on. And that's it. The next time you download a file, Opera GX will ask you where you want to save it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.